Thinking about selling your home to a cash buyer? You've probably seen the ads. We buy homes any condition fast. Sounds great, right? But before you make that call, let's talk about what really happens behind the scene and what your options are if you want more money on your pocket. Hi, I'm Douglas Ramos with the Douglas Ramos team, powered by Century 21 Alliance Realty. After 30 years in real estate, I have seen how these cash deals work, and I have helped dozens of sellers walk away with more money by doing things a little different. Here's the first thing most people don't realize. The high initial estimate you get is often not the number that you actually close with. I had clients come to me after they receive a $320,000 cash offer, only to watch it drop to $275,000 after the inspections, and then again to $260,000 before closing. These companies count on your urgency and lack of information to lock you into a lower offer. And that no fee, no commission pitch, be careful, it often comes with a price tag you can't see up front. Here's another thing. Most of these buyers are not buying your home to live in it. They're buying it to flip it and make a hefty profit off your equity. They'll put some cosmetic updates, relist them a few months later, sometimes for $50,000 to $100,000 more, and sell it to someone else. Here's the question. Why not keep that extra profit for yourself? When I work with homeowners who want speed and a strong sales price, we take a better approach. I bring in trusted contractors, people that I have worked with for years, to handle light updates and repairs that can drastically increase your home value. We invest on staging, professional photos, and targeted marketing to attract serious buyers, not just the investors. And most importantly, we price your home strategically so you're not leaving money on the table. Some of my clients made $30,000 to $70,000 more by using my team instead of selling directly to a cash buyer. And the timeline, in many cases, we sold in just a little time, but for a lot more money. If you're thinking about selling, whether it's fast, as it is, or in a timeline that works for you, let's talk before you sell yourself short. I'll show you the numbers, the options, and the smart way to walk away with the most money possible. Click the link below to schedule your free home value strategy session. No pressure, just the truth about your home, what's really worth, and how to make the most out of it. I am Douglas Ramos with Century 21 Alliance Realty, helping you sell smart and sell with confidence.